Hey, Christian here. I wanted to tell you about our matching system, which is unique on the market. We can help you build your product end to end or provide you with staff augmentation needs if you just need a few extra developers. Our platform uses over 72,000 data points to ensure that we match you with the perfect software development company in 3 very easy steps. First, you indicate the needs for your project based on specific types of software development skills, such as years in the business, location, availability, among many more. After you selected your criteria, hit the run matching process and prioritize certain criteria that are important to you. After crunching thousands of data points, you will see the best fitting pre-vetted development companies. Here we have access to detailed company data. By clicking on the match info, we can view the matching information. If you want to find out how we're matching these companies, simply click on how we match. Choose the companies that align with your requirements, and from there you can build your own personal shortlist and compare them in detail. The comparison view allows you to quickly and easily compare the aspects you're interested in. This feature enables you to view each company's areas of expertise, past projects, and in-depth analysis, empowering you to make the most informed decision. Once you made your selection, you can get in touch with the company directly or request offers right away. With Amplifyre, it's that simple.